All right guys, Travis here. What we got right here is a Fireball chassis table. Fireball Tools chassis table. This is 14 foot by 7'3". What we're gonna do really quick is show you the assembly process, do a quick go through of the assembly process of this table. And then we'll talk about what we're gonna use it for. So check it out, guys. So all in all, about an hour to assemble this table, a little over an hour. Pretty quick and pretty simple process. So you need the right tools, good to have a forklift, some lift straps and some different things to get it put together, but pretty easy for a few guys to assemble this bad boy.
Go this way first.
So stay tuned. We got some cool projects coming, some chassis and some cars and all sorts of cool stuff we're gonna build on this table. Check out our channel and like and subscribe.